On Enterprising this week, franchising. It's a great way of scaling up your business without scaling up your costs. Magical Methods is India's first and only Vedic Math Institute. But does it add up to a magical business model? And being superstitious is not just the prerogative of priests, old men and bored housewives. Alright, take a break. We'll be back with more entrepreneurship.
The sutra is Yadunam Tadunam Vargam Cho Yojya.
Welcome back. You're watching Enterprising. Now, this week's business profile is a slightly unusual one. Magical Methods. It's India's first Vedic Math Institute. Now, Vedic Math is an age-old method of number crunching. But when it comes to a business model, do the numbers add up? Natasha Parekh finds out.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It seems absolutely natural to count on your fingertips, doesn't it? But at Magical Methods, it's not. Because Magical Method, a Vedic Math Institute, has a program for children called Finger Counting and Silly Mistakes Removal Program. The company is the brainchild of Pradeep Kumar, who launched his first institute with 50,000 rupees in 2001, after successfully selling Vedic Math books to school students.
28, 250.
But how is Vedic Math different from regular math?
Vedic maths is different from normal maths. Let me give you an example. Say 108 square. If you do 108 square in normal system, you will multiply 108 with 108. And you will write 108 on the top and then 108 at the bottom and multiply. In Vedic system, there is a sutra using which you can explain it. The sutra is Yadunam Tadunam Vargam Cho Yojyat. And the sutra says 108 is 8 more than 100. So add 8 to it and on the other side put a square of 8. And your answer comes to 11664. Vedic mathematics can be applied for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, square root, cube root, percentage, simultaneous equation, differential equation, and even you can use Vedic mathematics to solve Kepler's equation.
So just like algebra, Vedic math is also driven by formulae. But Vedic math reduces the duration of calculating the problems by half. But the magic and magical method was missing for the first 5 years as the company struggled to scale beyond its 2 institutes, 300 odd students and a turnover of 20 lakh rupees. And so, Pradeep in 2006 started aggressively marketing Vedic math. He went to schools, colleges, offered money-back guarantees to parents if the child did not improve in 6 to 8 months, and also added more programs for CAT and MBA aspirants. But that was not enough. That year, Pradeep decided to franchise Magical Method to scale up his business. A decision that helped rake in the moolah.
Thanks to franchising, our business has grown tremendously. We get franchise fee from 50,000 to 3 lakh rupees. We also get revenue sharing around 20% from the franchise. And we also get material sales 600 to 700 rupees per kit per student.
Magical Method has now managed to achieve a turnover of 5 crore rupees and enjoys a 15% profit margin, all of which it achieved in the last 2 years. Not just that, the company has 12,000 students spread across its 75 centers in India and 6 centers in UAE, 1 in Canada, Finland and Nepal each.
Magical Method is now negotiating with franchisees in Australia, New Zealand and Singapore and is hoping to touch 150 institutes by the end of this year. So unlike the last time he started out, Pradeep Kumar is hoping to achieve this target in a shorter period of time. In Mumbai, Natasha Parekh.
Looks like it will be a while before Pradeep Kumar can start counting up his profits. Talking of magical methods, so you're one of those who carries the lucky charm, never walks under a ladder and believes that spotting 2 ravens together makes for bad luck. While you're not the only one, here's a list of superstitious entrepreneurs who believe that success and superstition go hand in hand.